Iba talaga pag mami mo ay chef kasi magaling gumawa ng recipe. Ito, gawa na aking kaibigan na si JC Bolisay.
Simpol, luto na
So yung gagawin ko ngayon ay pork and tofu in banana ketchup with green peas. So ito siya, yung anak niya daw, mahilig sa banana ketchup, hindi lang yung pangsawsawan, pero ginagamit din niya pangluto. So ito, meron akong spare ribs dito. Pork spare ribs and asin na natin. So we start off with our salt and pepper. Very important, no? Na we season our meats para, of course, magkalasa. And we will add a little bit of soy sauce. Around 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's 1/4 cup. And para mawala yung lansa, and to make it even yummier, we will use ginger. So, babalatan ko yung aking ginger gamit ang aking spoon. At saka, alam mo, pag mami talaga nag-iimbento ng recipe, ang nasa utak niya talaga, hindi magpa-impress, kundi para magustuhan ng anak nila, para kumain. Grate ginger. Mas maganda i-grate yung ginger rather than mincing it, para wala kang makagat ng mga ginger pieces. For our very special ingredient for this recipe, ang paborito ng kanyang anak, ay ang UFC banana ketchup. So, we're using 1/2 cup. So, ito siya parang magiging base rin siya ng ating sauce, diba? So, it will marinate the pork, but it will also give color to the sauce. Yan, very nice. Mix it all together. And we will let that rest. The best ito is to let it rest for around 30 minutes if you have time. So, ito siya. I'm just heating up my pan. And I have pieces here of firm tofu. Slice lang natin siya. We will make strips para bumagay din siya sa shape ng ating spare ribs. This is what I do, especially if I want to fry my tofu para hindi siya ma-dehydrate. What I do, dredge it in cornstarch. So, pwede mong gawin to. Iba yung style namin ni Chef. 1/4 cup. Season it with salt. And I will dredge my tofu before frying. Kasi yung tofu natin is watery, di ba? Para hindi siya tumalsik. And also, it will crisp up. So, yun ang aking munting tip para sa inyo. And the sauce is going to be so tasty because of the ribs. So, kahit nasabihin mo, tofu lang kinakain mo, magiging malasa siya. No? Ako, sobra akong natutuwa talaga kasi even the recipes of those who contributed to this compilation, kasi yung mga recipes natin ngayon is in celebration of the 50 years of UFC banana ketchup. And may libro tayo dito. Pwede nyo i-download. Of course, from Simpol yan. Very simple recipes. Pero hindi ko recipes. Recipes natin na mga kasimpol. Diba? Ang bongga ng ating mga kasimpol. I think kahit walang pork, pwede itong recipe na to. So, konting gisa, garlic. Onions. Yan, okay? Look at that. Once our onions are translucent, it's time for us to saute our pork ribs. Ribs natin. Saute. And I have some water here. This is around a cup of water. Yan pa lang, mabango na ang aking kusina. Very nice, no? Yan. Let it brown. And itong aking marinade, dinagdagan ko ng water around 1 cup. And later, lalagyan ko kasi siya ng pineapple chunk. So, yung pineapple juice niya, ihahalo ko dito. So, this will be my bracing liquid. So, ito yung gagamitin ko para lumambot yung ating pork, yung excess marinade niya, and our pineapple juice. So, ito tatakpan natin siya and let it simmer until it's tender. And alam mo, all the juices will come together. Magiging sobrang masarap to. Kaya pala gustong-gusto ng anak niya to. Kasi, alam mo, pag yung masarap na sauce ilalagay sa kanin, and may konting meat, the sweetness of the pineapple, ay winner na winner. Pero I think masarap din to pag spicy, no? So, pag walang bata, pwede mong gawing spicy. And it's almost 45 minutes. Pero malambot na yung ating pork. Yan, look at that, ha? Kaya nag-thicken na yung ating sauce. Look at that, no? Malambot na siya. It's almost falling off the bone. And ilalagay na natin yung ating tofu. Dumami agad yung ating ulam, ha? Look at that. Yan. Then, ilalagay din natin yung ating pineapple. So, we're using UFC green peas. And, isa-strain natin yung ating green peas. And, add natin yung ating green peas. Konting luto na lang yan. Let everything come together. Pero ako, just to finish it, make it even, even better. A little bit more black pepper to finish. Few minutes, and we're ready to plate. And luto na yung ating pork tofu in banana ketchup with green peas. So pag makita mo siyang hinain sa'yo, parang napaka-comforting, parang lutong nanay talaga yung dating niya, di ba? So, ribs natin. Try this at home. Magugustuhan nyo to, pati ng mga bata. Ang ating recipe for today. Thank you very much, Chef JC Bolisay. And this is her recipe of pork and tofu in banana ketchup with green peas. Simpol!